Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Linux disk encryption with LUKS on Ubuntu. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your system is fully updated. Open the terminal by searching for terminal in the application menu. Run the command sudo apt update to refresh the package list. Then type sudo apt upgrade to install any available updates. Next, ensure you have the necessary packages for disk encryption. Run the command sudo apt install crypt setup. This will install the crypt setup tool required for LUKS disk encryption. Now, identify the disk or partition you'd like to encrypt. You can use the command lsblk to list all available storage devices. Take note of the device name, usually in the format /dev/sdx. Before proceeding, back up any important data on the target disk. Encryption will erase all existing data on that disk. To create an encrypted partition, run sudo crypt setup LUKS format /dev/sdx. Replace /dev/sdx with your actual device name. You will be prompted to confirm the operation and enter a passphrase. Choose a strong passphrase and remember it, as it will be required to access the encrypted data. Next, open the encrypted partition with sudo crypt setup open /dev/sdx encrypted_drive. This will create a map device at /dev/mapper/encrypted_drive. Now, create a file system on the newly created encrypted partition. Use the command sudo mkfs.ext for /dev/mapper/encrypted_drive. This will format the partition as an extension for file system. Once the file system is set up, create a mount point for the encrypted drive. Run the command sudo mdir/mnt/encrypted_data. Now, mount the encrypted drive using sudo mount /dev/mapper/encrypted_drive/mnt/encrypted_data. To ensure the encrypted drive mounts automatically at boot, edit the /etc/stab file. Open it with sudo nano /etc/stab. Add the following line at the end of the file, /dev/mapper/encrypted_drive/mnt/encrypted_data extension 4 defaults 02. Next, for the system to recognize the encrypted partition on boot, edit the /etc/crypt file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.